and welcome to another episode of Travel Chef. Well, today we are going to make Kallappam. This is otherwise called as fermented rice pancakes. Well, this is made with Toddy and or Kallu, and this is what we have made it at home, the Kallu. So let's see how it is made. So come on. To make a fermented rice pancake or Kallappam, the first ingredient is 30 grams of rice flour. The next ingredient to be added is water, which is around 200 ml. Now we mix the rice with the water thoroughly. This will help to break the lumps in the rice flour. The next step is to place this vessel onto the stove on high flame, and we are going to thicken this rice flour. By continuously stirring this, lumps will be avoided. Now our rice flour is thickened. We need to take it off the stove and keep it aside. We have kept the rice flour aside and we wait for it to cool. As we wait for the rice flour to cool, now we are going to grind a coconut. For this we have coarse grind a coconut. So we have got 200 grams of coconut, a grated coconut that we are going to mixie. The next is 3 pods of garlic that we have peeled. We are going to place it too. Next ingredient to be added is 1/4 teaspoon of jeera powder. We are going to add 200 ml of toddy that we have previously made. You can refer to this how to make toddy in a previous video by clicking on the card above. Now we are going to add this into the mixie. This is otherwise called as Kallu. Now our thickened rice flour is cooled down. Next we are going to add additional rice flour, which is adding another 200 grams of rice flour. So totally we have added around 400 grams of rice flour. Now to the rice flour we will be adding 5 teaspoons of sugar. Now we are going to add 1 cup of water, that is around 200 ml of water. Now we mix the water along with the rice flour that we have placed inside the vessel. Now we have poured a little more of water just to make the batter a little smooth. We continuously mix all these ingredients together. Now we are adding the ground coconut and the toddy that we have previously ground over. Now we mix all these ingredients together. We are adding half teaspoon of salt as a taste to make while we make a batter. Now we have left the batter for fermentation. This needs to be kept for 8 to 10 hours for the fermentation to happen. Also we have used toddy, which is or Kallu. This is used instead of yeast, or Kallappam can be made also with the help of yeast. So now we cover the vessel and we keep it for 8 to 10 hours for fermentation. Now our batter for the Kallappam is fermented, and it has been more than 8 hours that we have kept it for fermenting over the night. Now it is ready to be cooked. Now we are going to stir the fermented batter. Now our batter is smooth as it is fermented well. Now we need to apply some oil before we spread the batter onto the tawa. We just pour the batter onto the tawa, but we don't spread it. Next we need to cover it for it to cook. Now the appam is cooked on low flame. Now we need to open our tawa and check whether one side is cooked. If it's golden brown in color, we need to flip it to the other side. Now it is golden brown in color, we have flipped it to the other side. Once again we need to cover the tawa for the other side to cook. Now we need to open our tawa, and the other side is cooked and it's brown in color. Next we need to take it off the stove and place it on a plate. Now our Kallappam is ready to be served, and this can be had with egg gravy, which is a good combination. Do try our recipe at home and let us know in the comment section below. And enjoy your happy breakfast. We hope you like watching our Kallappam videos, and we request you to like, share and comment on our videos. This will really help us to improve our channel and the programming content that we make. Well, please don't forget to hit the bell icon for notifications on our future videos, and of course, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Until the next video, take care, stay safe and see you soon. Bye-bye.